Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be making mug cakes. So I love sweets and we have so many mugs in my house, like I can't count all of them. So we need to make a use of all of them. So today I and my family are going to make mug cakes. So
can you tell them where we got this recipe?
we got where?
You want me to tell them?
Yeah.
This recipe comes from Christina Tashi, I don't know how you say her last name, from Milk Bar. She's been doing the Baking Club daily on Instagram and then posting the recipes on her website.
Yeah. So what's the website called?
ChristinaTashi.com.
So go check it out if you want if you want so many more recipes like this one. She posts one I think like every day almost.
Yep.
So what you need for this is 2.5 tablespoons of butter melted, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon.
How about we just post the recipe?
Okay, yeah, we'll just post the recipe because that's a lot of words.
And we're going to double it so we can have 4 mugs.
Yeah, so we'll post the real recipe down, but we won't be using the real recipe. Well, we will be, but we will be making it so much better. Okay, so we need to whisk the butter, the milk, the oil, the vanilla, the vinegar, and the eggs together.
Vanilla, June's favorite ingredient.
Vanilla.
Time to add the fun stuff yet?
No, we haven't.
Let's start with Greer. Let me move these bowls.
First I'm going to put in cut up strawberries and blueberries, then I'm going to put in some sprinkles.
Did you want to put food coloring in?
Yes. I'm making purple because I'm awesome.
We're doing taste test at the end.
We're gonna do a taste test at the end of the video. Yeah.
I made a new video.
All right, Cora, put it in the microwave.
Boom, 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 boom.
Just put the sprinkles in. Let's move along. You're not going to get it by just continuing to add at this point.
Okay.
Can I put on every type of sprinkle?
Yes.
What are you adding?
I'm going to be adding chocolate chips, a whole lot of chocolate chips, caramel chips, a good amount of caramel chips, and some raw filberts. Those are nuts.
That's going to a little overload there. That's going to be too many.
No such thing.
Okay. I think Daddy went a little overboard in his.
Nonsense. There's cake in between all of these chips. Some of it. That's it. That's the magic right there.
I am going to do some white chocolate chips,
Oh, chocolate.
some dried blueberries,
My blueberries and strawberries probably messed it up.
Mine's still there. Don't open it.
And they made it soggy.
maybe. And then I'm also going to do some
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
raw filberts.
This is one of my favorite cakes we've ever made.
Really?
Oh yeah?
Probably because I added some of my favorite things.
Okay, guys, that was really good. I really like mine.
Can everyone... These are really good.
The only thing I'm kind of mad about is my color.
Show 'em.
My colors are just like going out.
Here.
It's hot.
Hold
I'm not
Are you
Damn.
suggesting that they don't even bother with the food coloring?
Yeah.
Skip the food coloring.
Unless it's just like a regular color.
Brown's a regular color.
Like in a regular
And
color in the
Greer's
box.
turned out kind of funky with the colors too.
But I like it.
Did I do that wrong?
Did you do it for
Well-
a minute and a half?
Yeah. But was it supposed to do that?
No.
Bring the camera!
Uh-oh.
Made a little mess.
Daddy's is a fail.
You took. He put too
I'm
much.
still gonna eat it.
He put too much.
I tried to tell him. So these do rise a little bit, so make sure that you leave probably like an inch on the top of the mug that you pick.
Or be
When you
ready to
fill it.
clean your microwave.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, alright then. Look at all that chocolate.
I can't hear that. I hate chocolate. Horrible.
It's good. It's good.
Okay, right.
It definitely tastes better than it looks.
Okay guys, we're gonna end the video here. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this. And bye!